now I try to do that room tour video or apartment video, because this is my apartment. So in here I have Rob calendar. See. Then in here is a poster. Robert and Kristen, Taylor, Edward, Jacob and Bella, Edward and Bella, Edward, Jacob, Taylor, some Taylor poster. There is new moon poster. There, here write uusi kuu, it's Finnish language. Eclipse poster, poo poster. And then is that Twilight poster. Some Twilight poster. Two Eclipse, Twilight, Eclipse, Ashley, there, Bella, Edward door poster, Bella and Edward, Kristen and Robert, Taylor poster, new moon poster. Where is Wolfpack? That is little dark, so I say that. Taylor or Jacob posters. And then is Wolfpack, where is everybody. Jacob, Sam, Empress, Paul, Jared. Then we go in here, and in here I have Edward's blanket, some back, new moon, broken glass, and then this come when I buy that DVD in here Finland. And then Kristen poster, some Kellan poster and Taylor poster too. Robert, Twilight, and Edward and broken glass poster. Team Jacob, I'm Team Edward, but Ubu poster. Then is this is puzzle, what I do, or yes, and then there is some poster. There is my computer, and then I have here books. And clean up. Then DVDs, some Robert movies too in here. Then is here that new moon. This is Finland, what come in Bella's box when I buy that. Or this come Bella's box. Then here is, and this is, and then this I do myself. This is box. So now we open it. Look what this in Edward doll. Lunchbox. Stand up, what I do myself. Stand up. books or scrapbooks, CD, DVD, this kind, then Alice doll, then open this. And what I have here, so in trading cards, sorry, I choose some day new video. There is one. Then vinyl wallet, Bella and Jacob and Edward bracelet, card, some new moon bracelet or rubber bracelet, what they are, and some new moon bracelet too. Pencil, okay, this kind, this, and my cat in here. Look what I do. And yes, that is cat bell. Ring, that new moon ring. And then I have bookmarks, Jasper, Jacob, and Edward and Bella. Then is postcard, then is this kind. See, and so the lion fell in love with the lamp, and I have here too in this. I saw that the one bracelet what come in here too, and then in here I have some, there is Bella and Robert poster. Yes, I am big Edward fan. And I am Team Edward. So, then I have this. And I have some t-shirts, but they are maybe in now right 30. So I have only one what I can show you. Oh, there is two poster. And then I have here two Wolfpack poster. Then I have here two, and in here I have I have this kind of t-shirt. This is my newest t-shirt. This is Jasper. I have two Alice t-shirts and Edward t-shirt, and then Edward and Bella t-shirt in New Moon. But they are now in 30, so I don't look where they are. Bye! And hope you subscribe me.